Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and today we're doing our field cleanup. It's a little later than what we like to do. It's kind of, May 26th. Grass is getting a little taller than what we'd like, and when you knock over the stumps, it's hard to see them in the grass. Usually it's good to get this done a little earlier, but timing is, it's been having a fun spring, right? Rain, all this stuff. So using up my second favorite tool of Christmas tree farming, this is the Shindaiwa B450 brush cutter. I think we have a 14-inch blade and a skid bar on the bottom of it, which will help find the stump, and then we can slice right through it, kind of taking down those, 8-10 inches down to about 2 inches off the ground, and that way the mower can go over it. And if you're still harvesting out of the field, less of a trip hazard for your customers when they visit. So I've already done this section here, cut down, some trees we've topped that aren't going to make it as Christmas trees, so cut all the brush. Also, I use this thing for cutting the full-size trees down for pre-cuts. So yeah, so once you follow along, we're going to move over to a couple other different fields. We still have the spruce, a couple other fir fields that we need to get cleaned up. All right, that does it for the field cleanup with the brush cutter. So it's a very useful tool to have for that job. Also for cutting pre-cuts. I don't know, cutting other olive and all that other junk. It's very handy, very useful. So next up, we'll have to pick up the stumps and we'll burn them in the fire pit during the season. That's what we do, is use that on the outside fire pit. Yeah, so we're kind of in the end of April. We haven't gotten our seedlings yet, so planting is hopefully within the next 2 weeks. That we've had a lot of rainfall in this last month, so hopefully they're above water now and we can get our trees, we can get them in the ground and move on to other jobs. I picked up some cones today. Those are starting to sprout, whatever, break, whatever you want to call it. So it's good to get those out of the field, especially in the Koreans. Koreans are one of the early coning trees. We don't have Fraser, and we'll walk through. And then next is band spraying, herbicide applications, controlling the weevils. We're kind of getting into the real production mode here. So, all right, that does it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, well, happy spring.